Hello students, in last video we learned the concept motion of an object, displacement and distance. So in this video we learn new concept speed and velocity for first chapter law of motion. So I tell you new concept speed. Firstly I tell you a definition for speed. Speed is a distance covered by body in a unit time. Distance cover. Speed is a distance covered by body in a unit time. This is a definition for speed. So I tell you there a formula. Speed. Speed is equal to. Look here. I write on screen formula for speed. Speed is equal to total distance cover upon total time taken. Speed is equal to total distance cover upon total time taken. This is a formula for speed and this is a definition for speed. So I tell you their quantities. Speed has magnitude. But not direction. स्पीडला मॅग्निट्यूड आहे परंतु डायरेक्शन नाही. देअरफॉर इट इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. इन एक्झाम ask you a question, why speed is a scalar quantity? So this time you write the answer. Your answer is speed has magnitude but not direction. Therefore speed is a scalar quantity. स्पीडला मॅग्निट्यूड आहे परंतु डायरेक्शन नाही म्हणून स्पीड ही एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी आहे. ओके, आय थिंक वी अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट speed. So I tell you a new concept, velocity. Firstly I tell you their definition. Definition is the distance travel in particular direction. Distance travel in a particular direction by an object in a unit time is called its velocity. In last videos we learn particular direction means displacement. Therefore formula of velocity is equal to displacement upon time. I think we understand a definition of velocity, formula of velocity. So I tell you their quantities. Speed quantities already we learned. So I tell you velocity quantities. Velocity has a magnitude. As well as direction. Therefore it is a vector quantity. In exam ask you a question is why velocity is a vector quantity. So this time you write the answer. Your answer is velocity has magnitude. Velocity has a magnitude as well as a direction. Therefore, velocity is a vector quantity. व्हेलॉसिटीला मॅग्निट्यूड आहे, त्याचबरोबर डायरेक्शनसुद्धा आहे आणि म्हणून व्हेलॉसिटी ही एक काय आहे, वेक्टर क्वांटिटी आहे. आय थिंक वी अंडरस्टँड व्हेलॉसिटी डेफिनेशन, व्हेलॉसिटी फॉर्म्युला, व्हेलॉसिटी क्वांटिटी. सो आय टेल यू न्यू कन्सेप्ट, युनिट्स ऑफ स्पीड अँड व्हेलॉसिटी. Units of speed and velocity. Unit of speed and velocity. Unit of speed and velocity are the same. दोन्हींचेही युनिट कसे आहेत, सारखे आहे. स्पीडचं पण सारखं आहे आणि स्पीडप्रमाणेच व्हेलॉसिटीचं सेम आहे. इन SI system, meter per second, and CGS system, centimeter per second. The unit of speed and velocity are same. In a SI system, meter per second, and while in a CGS system, centimeter per second. This is the unit for a speed. So I tell you another important points for speed and velocity. Always remember, नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा, speed is related to distance. Speed is related to distance, while velocity is related to displacement. Then if the motion is along a straight line, the value of speed and velocity is same. एखादी वस्तू एकदम सरळ स्ट्रेट लाईनमध्ये जात असेल, त्याची मोशन असेल, त्यासाठी आपण त्याची व्हॅल्यू कशी घ्यायची आहे, सेम घ्यायची आहे, सारखीच घ्यायची आहे. Velocity is the displacement that occur in a unit time. Velocity is a displacement. Velocity काय आहे, एक डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे, दॅट ॲक्युअर इन अ युनिट टाईम. ते एकक काळामध्ये ॲक्युअर केली जाते. आय थिंक वी अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट स्पीड अँड व्हेलॉसिटी, देअर डेफिनेशन्स, फॉर्म्युलाज, देअर क्वांटिटीज. सो I stop and I meet you in a next video. Thank you.